What is driving the U.S. orthopedic surgical robotics market? Key growth drivers, challenges, and innovations. What if the future of orthopedic surgery is not just in a surgeon's hands, but in a robot's precision, an AI-powered plan, and real-time surgical data? Across the U.S., orthopedic surgical robotics is moving from a high-end hospital investment to a fast-growing part of modern joint care. According to BIS research, the U.S. orthopedic surgical robotics market is projected to grow from $531.1 million in 2020 to more than $2 billion by 2031, at a CAGR of 12.3%. So, what is driving this growth? First, procedure volumes are rising sharply. Aging populations, obesity, osteoarthritis, and sports injuries are increasing demand for knee and hip replacements. Robotic systems are now being used in total knee arthroplasty, partial knee arthroplasty, and total hip arthroplasty to support better implant positioning, surgical planning, and procedural accuracy. By 2031, robotic-assisted orthopedic procedure volume in the U.S. is expected to reach 961.5 thousand procedures. Second, technology is becoming more intelligent. Today's systems combine imaging, AI-assisted planning, real-time navigation, and analytics. Platforms such as Stryker's Mako, Zimmer Biomet's ROSA Knee, and Smith Nephew's Cori are helping surgeons deliver more personalized and consistent procedures. But the real angle is this: orthopedic robots are no longer just surgical tools. They are becoming data platforms that connect planning, execution, outcomes, and future care decisions. Third, patient outcomes are pushing adoption. Robotic-assisted surgery can support greater precision, better implant alignment, reduce soft tissue damage, faster recovery, shorter hospital stays, and potentially lower revision rates. Still, adoption is not frictionless. High upfront costs, surgeon training, operating room workflow changes, reimbursement questions, and ROI pressure remain major challenges, especially for smaller hospitals and outpatient centers. Looking ahead, AI-driven planning, cloud-connected robotics, augmented reality, smart implants, machine learning analytics, and compact robotic platforms for ambulatory surgical centers could define the next phase of growth. The message is clear. The U.S. orthopedic surgical robotics market is not just growing. It is reshaping how orthopedic care is planned, delivered, and measured. Subscribe for more insights on emerging healthcare technologies. To learn more about this market, explore our full report in the description below.